What if your classroom had no walls? This is the brief on the 2027 Los Altos High School Taiwan program. Well, from April 3rd to the 14th, 2027, this 12-day journey literally transforms Taiwan into a living, real-world classroom. Now, you might be wondering, how is this different from a typical family vacation or sightseeing tour? It's actually a highly structured, incredibly meaningful educational experience supported by KICC Global, our expert international education and coordination team. First, the island itself is your living textbook. You're going to travel through Taipei, Pingxi, Yeliu, Miaoli, Sunmoon Lake, Tainan, Alishan, Taichung, and Yingge. You'll dive straight into hands-on learning, amazing cultural activities, and breathtaking nature, completely stepping out of your comfort zone to experience the local environment. Second, we're diving into the global technology ecosystem. I mean, we all use smartphones, but do we know where the brains of those devices actually come from? You'll get first-hand exposure to Taiwan's massive semiconductor industry to find out exactly how it all works. Finally, it's all about authentic human connection. You'll participate in a confirmed student exchange with the kids at Taipei Elementary School. Connecting with Taiwanese students and local communities is a huge catalyst for personal growth. It builds confidence, true independence, a global perspective, and meaningful friendships that just can't be replicated sitting in a standard classroom. This journey brings amazing growth for students and total peace of mind for parents. Go beyond the classroom. Explore, connect, and grow in Taiwan.